Want to delete a character on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Today, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily delete your character on Talkie AI. First thing first, move into your application Talkie AI. Once you're in the home page of Talkie AI, you need to move into your profile page at the bottom right corner of the screen. And you will see the option of Talkie list. Click on it. But in order for you to delete a character on Talkie AI, first thing first, you have to make sure that the Talkie AI has been created. If you haven't created the character, then there is nothing to delete. But for you, if you have created the character on Talkie AI, then it will be available to you in this page. Simply click on the character you want to delete. Click on this three dot at the top right corner and then tap on delete. After that, click on confirm. Your character will be deleted on Talkie AI. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.